Hi viewers, in today's video I'm going to compare Kilonotes and Penly. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. Let's get started. Kilonotes is a free digital notebook app packed with useful features for those who want a simple yet effective way to take notes. Unlike many note-taking apps, Kilonotes offers most of its features for free, making it a great budget-friendly option. Its handwriting engine is fluid and responsive, giving a natural writing feel with the stylus. You can create multiple notebooks with different templates and cover pages and page styles. Plus, you can import PDFs and write directly on them, perfect for studying and document markup. Kilonotes also support cloud syncing, so you can access your notes across multiple devices. On the other hand, Penly is a feature-rich digital planner built for those who want a fully interactive journaling and note-taking experience. One standout feature is its interactive hyperlinks, letting you easily navigate between pages. It offers more pen styles, colors, and sticker packs, making it ideal for creative users. Despite its advanced features, Penly remains smooth and efficient, especially on high-end tablets. Similar to Photoshop, Penly lets you lay stickers, text, and images, giving you greater control over your layouts. Unlike subscription-based app, Penly is a one-time purchase, granting you access to premium features without recurring fee. So if you want a free, simple, and functional digital notebook, Kilonote is a solid choice. However, if you are after a premium experience with more customization, interactive hyperlinks, and advanced planning tools, Penly is a better option. Though it's not free, its features make it worth investment, especially for digital planners and power users. That's it.